everybody. I'm Mike French. I bought this worthless piece of crap I bought it from Lowe's, but it's a Samsung product. And it was recalled because the tops blow off. Now, the damn thing didn't work from day one. I couldn't wash a pair of socks in it and trust it went through all the cycles because it just go off and all the bells and whistles and crap. The lock broke within days of buying it, so the lid flies up. So there's some duct tape holding that down, and we took the washer off the truck and it hit the ground a little bit and the top blew off. So I'm going to put it on a demonstration here of how the tops blow off of these. Right now inside there's a wonderful 3-pound bag of tannerite. Now, I was told that a lot of guys break it up into 1-pound batches, make it last a little longer, but I'm an overkill kind of guy. And with the 9 months of bullshit that I went through with Samsung just to get my money back, I think 3 pounds is well worth it. I have an AR with some 5.56 rounds in the truck, so if all goes well, this little beauty is going to be in a bunch of pieces really soon. Be sure to watch the top blow off, because that's why they've been recalled.